All right, how you going today? I'm going to show you an awesome tip on how to enter data using a data form. Now, the first step is to create the list on the top here. So let's put in name, surname, occupation, start date. Now let's highlight this and press Control key to insert a table. The other way is to go to insert and table. And it says here my table has headers. Yes, it does. Check that. Okay, so we've created this Excel table. The next step is to create the data form. First of all, we need to put this data form in our ribbon. Now in here, it's not available. So we have to go to Excel's back end to activate this. Go to File, Options, and under Customize Ribbon, choose Commands Not in Ribbon. And then go all the way, just click somewhere here and then type in F, and it takes all the way to Form. There it is there. Before we add it in here, we need to create a custom group. So let's just go to New Group here, and it's under Data, that's fine. And then we need to rename this to Data Form, and you can choose any symbol here if you like. If not, just keep it like this. Okay. Now, so let's select this, and this data form is selected. Press Add. So it adds it in here into the data form custom group, which is under the data ribbon. Press OK. Now let's go to data here, and you see on the right hand side there, it's the form. So we've added it in there. We can also right click and add to quick access toolbar, which is up here. Now you can move this toolbar to the bottom here. You can just right click and say show quick access toolbar below the ribbon. So you have it there. So let's click in here and press form. Now let's put in our first name, fill in all the details, and then press new record. And you see that it's added in there. How cool is that? If you don't like this here, you can actually delete it and it will come off. Let's just press cancel because we don't want to delete it. And then let's just scroll down here and then put in a new record. And then press new. If you go all the way up, you can see the previous records that we have there. And then we'll go all the way down here, and then you can put in a new record. Let's just close out of it. So that's just an easy and quick way to type in records. To bring it back up again, click in here, press your form, and then start typing in your new entry. And to update records, let's go up and choose one. So the name John, let's put in John Senior. And now here is the CEO. And just click on new again, and you see the update is made there. I'm sure that this tip is going to impress your boss and get you noticed in your office.